Happy Thursday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. Cooler air settling into the region for the end of our week is also yielding a couple of showers around as we go through our Thursday evening. That chance does linger into at least the first part of our Friday, but high pressure off to our west is going to take over things as we get into the weekend. That sets us up for both a warming trend and a couple of nice days. So here's how things are going to play out. For starters, that warming trend lasts well into next week. If you're not ready for this taste of fall that we've got, well, warmer than average temperatures likely as we look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. We're going to start getting into that this weekend, and several warm days will follow as we head back into the 80s. It's also at the end of the weekend when we'll start to notice that humidity creeping back in. So it'll feel a lot more like summer as we get to the end of the weekend for us. But this evening, watching for some hit or miss showers, a rumble of thunder possible. Under a few of these more robust showers could also be some pockets of small hail as we go through this evening. Overnight turns a bit more isolated. It will be cool as we drop toward the lower 50s for our overnight lows. Now for Friday, the chance still there at least through the morning to encounter a couple of these stray showers. I expect them to be very isolated. The risk also a little higher as we head further into the daylight hours in that northern snow belt. Futurecast not too impressed with that, and I don't expect it to be a washout by any means, but keep that in mind. You could encounter a couple of raindrops, especially in the northern snow belt through at least the first part of our Friday. As we get into the afternoon, that threat starts to come down. The scattered clouds that'll be out there will start to fade. Low 70s for our highs Friday. Now by the time we get to our high school football games and those prepare to kick off, you see a lot of these clouds exiting. I wouldn't be entirely surprised if in the northern snow belt there was still a leftover shower, but the chance for that exceptionally low as drier air builds in. It would be a big challenge, but we'll keep an eye on that as we kick off those games. I'm actually expecting temperatures a little warmer than some of these readings. We're looking for about upper 60s at kickoff. By the end of those games, though, I expect to see 50s on the map, so bring the hoodies with you, and at kickoff you may still want the sunglasses. Now overnight we drop back down to the mid to low 50s for your Saturday morning. A cool start to the day, but the pattern changes as we go through it. We'll have a warm southerly breeze setting up. It will be a bit on the breezy side, but it will be a nice day overall. Lots of sun as we head to the upper 70s, and then Saturday night, not as cool as where we've been the last few nights. We'll look for those lows staying in the 60s. So rain stays up here on our hassle factors list. That chance there for some pockets of small hail too, as we see the spotty showers around this evening and overnight. A rumble of thunder possible and about 53 degrees your low. Still could be a few raindrops in the morning. Again, this won't be a washout, but the chance there, especially in the northern snow belt, of seeing a few showers that linger through at least the first part of the day. Heading into the afternoon, the trend will be for the clouds to start breaking up. We become mostly sunny by the time we get to sunset, about 73 for your high temperature, so still averaging a little cooler. Now, high school football outlook for Friday, well, at kickoff, I expect upper 60s, and we'll see a lot of sunshine out there. By the final plays, we should be down toward the upper 50s, so bring the hoodies with you. It'll be a hoodie weather, nice weather for football Friday, though, and Saturday, breezy, a cool start, but those temperatures heading up. Upper 70s for the highs, mid 80s Sunday. We're going to start noticing it becoming a bit more humid here as we go through Saturday night into Sunday. We start pulling in some of that warmer air from the south. So plan for it to start feeling much more like summer to end the weekend, and then we got a stretch of days in the 80s. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, all 3 days looking for highs mid 80s to around 80. Isolated shower or storm a possibility here Monday and also on Tuesday. A frontal boundary stalls just to the north of us. Very close call with that. However, a slight shift to the south could pull that threat for showers a little more into our area. So I am leaving a low risk in there, especially northern parts of our viewing area. But by Wednesday, a cold front starts moving in. That will bring a much better chance for more widespread rain and storms. A lot of clouds around too. And then once that storm system exits, high pressure tries to build back in for next Thursday. It brings us more sun, a little cooler there with mid 70s for the highs.